Welcome everyone to another Animal of the Week. In today's episode we will examine the Takahē, a flightless bird from New Zealand that resembles a much smaller, bluer and cuter terror bird. Takahē originally lived on both islands in New Zealand, but now only reside naturally on the South Island. They have been translocated to other islands in the north through breeding and protective programs, but the South Island Takahē, which is the only type left, are not native to these areas. They inhabit grasslands and pastures, and like to shelter under shrubs. They will sometimes live in forests, such as when it snows, but most of the time they will stay in the open fields. Originally these were marsh and swamp birds, but human agricultural expansion pushed them into the plateaus that they live in today. Takahē are omnivores, but mainly eat plants. They mainly feed on grasses such as tussocks, and will eat the seeds of the grass, helping plants to spread their genes. They will also eat insects such as moths and the New Zealand weta, which may be another Animal of the Week in the future. They have also been known very rarely to eat ducklings or small lizards, but this isn't common. Takahē are monogamous and form lifelong bonds with their partners. They breed from October to January in the wet, cold months. The males and females both share the care and incubation of their young. Around 3 eggs are usually laid and will hatch in around 30 days. Within October to January they can lay up to 3 batches of eggs under good circumstances if the other batches fail. The young have grey feathers that then turn into the deep blue that the adults carry. Takahē get little nourishment from the grasses they eat, and so have to constantly be feeding. Their beaks reflect this and are well adapted to eating the tough grass. It is thick and powerful, letting it eat the grass, but also allows it to feed upon insects to get protein. Takahē are the largest members of the rail family of birds, which includes moorhens, coots and crakes. Sadly, what Takahē are probably most well known for is that they are nearly extinct. In 1898 the Takahē were classed as extinct, until 1948 when a man named Jeffrey Orbell rediscovered them near Lake Tianu on the South Island. It was believed that the best thing for them was to be left alone, but this changed when people feared they would be lost forever if we didn't step in. Captive breeding and translocation programs have led to a number of safe populations on remote threat-free islands to be set up so they are safe for now. To stop inbreeding in the small populations on these islands, they are moved around a lot by plane, so it isn't that uncommon to see one on an Air New Zealand flight. The whole reason for their decline, like most other animals going extinct, is because of humans. When humans arrived to New Zealand, they brought dogs that killed them and we hunted them for meat. When Europeans arrived, we brought deer and other animals that competed for the Takahē food, endangering the population even more. As of today, the IUCN classes them as endangered due to there only being 300 in 2016, but their population is rising because of all the amazing work done to safeguard their future. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you'd like to learn more about our world, its history, and the wonderful life that surrounds us all, please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you think we deserve it, and if you'd like to see more from us.